Ahmed was always tired. When he came back from the office, he never felt like doing anything. One day, a wise old man said to him, "Son, your brain is like a mobile phone, but why is its battery always low?" Ahmed was surprised. "Battery? For the brain?" The old man replied, "Yes, and I'll tell you 5 simple habits that will always keep your brain's battery full." First habit: finish tasks in one go. Whenever you see a small task, finish it immediately, like replying to an email or washing the dishes. Thinking about it again and again makes the brain tired. Second habit: 2 breath exercise. Breathe in deeply through your nose, then take 1 small extra breath to completely fill your lungs. Then slowly release it through your mouth. Do this 2 or 3 times, and your mind will feel fresh. Third habit: quiet time. Don't always listen to music or use your phone. Sit quietly for a while every day without mobile or noise. Only then does the brain get time to think. Fourth habit: break big goals into small ones. Big goals look scary, like saying, "I have to lose 20 kilos. Break it into parts. First 5, then 10. Each small success will bring happiness. Fifth habit: small movements. Don't sit all day. Walk a little, climb stairs, or just do a quick 2-minute workout. Blood will reach your brain and your energy will rise. Ahmed started with just one of these habits, then slowly added the rest. After a few weeks, he was amazed to see that his brain really started to feel fully charged.